Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. This week's stamping collab was hosted by Patty's Polish Corner, and these are the manicures we have prepared. I'll have links to everybody's video in the description box below. Let's get started. As a base, I applied this beautiful Barielle red nail polish called Vivacious. They sent it to me for review. I didn't apply any polish on this nail because I have a really bad break, and I put a little piece of silk over it and crazy glue to try to repair it and make sure that it grows out. So I don't want to put any red polish on it. Since the theme is glitter, I'm going to use this Barielle glitter polish called Angel Dust. I'll use a little piece of makeup sponge to apply the glitter. I apply the glitter directly onto the sponge and then gently tap it onto my nail. Instead of covering the nail completely, I try to do a different design on each nail. That looks really pretty. I'll be using this Creative Shop plate number 22. I'll use my gold Maniology stamping polish called Heart of Gold. I apply the polish on the plate, use the scraper card to remove the excess, and pick up the image with the stamper, then place it directly onto my nail. To clean the plate, I use a strawberry color with a cotton ball dipped in acetone, and I clean off the stamper on my lint roller. I follow these same steps for the second nail. I do a little bit of cleanup with a piece of tape. I seal in the stamping with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. That looks amazing. On the rest of the nails, I'll apply my Nail Aid Quick Dry Glass Shine top coat. That looks beautiful. This is the completed manicure. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. I love the way it turned out, and I'm really glad I only did the stamping on 2 nails. It allows the glitter on the other 2 nails to really show through. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!